Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Equip the medkit to your quick slot and confirm remaining charges so you won't run out mid-fight. Move into partial cover and face away from likely enemy sightlines so you can begin healing without immediate suppression. Once done, tap the quick use key to trigger the heal animation. Don't delay. Make sure your teammate isn't blocking your exit path. That saves precious seconds and keeps the action rolling as you recover health. You now focus on execution. Start healing during predictable lulls like reloads or after throwing a smoke so you minimize risk. Once the medkit activates, use a sprint or jump cancel the non-critical animation frames to shave off time while the effect applies. If an ally is low and within 3 meters, switch targets quickly after your self-heal. If not, finish yourself then toss or drop the medkit. This keeps you combat-ready and teammates supported without wasting charges. You finish by checking your health and moving to a safer angle right away. Sitting idle invites counterattacks. If someone suppresses or staggers you and the medkit was interrupted, move behind solid cover and reapply. Use short peeks or 1/2 second cancels to bait shots before committing. If supplies are low, drop the medkit for a teammate with worse HP or swap to a faster emergency item. That one troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.